Nein, nicht schon wieder, ey. I spent a couple days alone, which I haven't done in a while because now I always work in a team. And it was really nice just to be here by myself and think about stuff. This is very meditative work. It's a mix between meditation and going to the gym, which I really enjoy. And I was thinking about this whole situation with the house because it's obviously so overwhelming and it's so much more than I expected. But then I realized it was never really my goal to be done. I don't want to be done. I want to do it. So it's all good. I'm doing it. That's all that matters. And this realization really helped me calm down when I take a look at everything that I still have to do, all the small constructions, all the problems we need to solve. It really helps me to think about it in that way. Like, I want to do this. I don't want to be done. I want to be doing it. So, let's do it. Ausgebrochen! Prison Break! Wie bist du denn da hingekommen? Spinnst du ein bisschen über den Biomüll? Rein mit dir! Was ist das denn, ey?
Sag mal, wie hast du denn eigentlich das ganze Zeug hier hinbekommen?
Mit so einem Kran, ne? Autokran.
Geil.
Richtig krass, von der Straße so. Ja.
Wie ist so dein Gefühl, wenn du jetzt denkst, du musst es alles alleine machen?
Gemischt. I like working alone because it's, especially when I'm all by myself, I can listen to podcasts and music and just set my mind on I will do nothing but this for the next 8 hours and then I'm very fine with it. But if I look at this and imagine I have to lay every single brick for the next 4 weeks, it is a little bit overwhelming. Mm-hmm. So I think I will try to get some help.
Yeah.
What I like about this though is that it does feel like I'm building a house with my hands versus all the other jobs we did, or most of the jobs we did so far was just like tearing it down, destroying stuff, finding more things that are wrong with the house. And now it's slow and it's a lot of work, but at least we're going in the right direction. So that feels good.
Oh, Alter!
Oh Gott, ich wusste nicht, dass das so weit geht. Ist das geworden?
Ja.
Tut mir leid, ich dachte, das wäre nur so ein bisschen.
Voll hypnotisieren.
Yeah, I think we could do a 10-minute video of just watching the mixer and it would be a good video. I could watch this all day. Und Felix?
Hm?
Was ist das denn jetzt hier schon wieder für eine Scheiße? Warte mal, wo kommen die denn her?
Fuck, hier oben sind auch welche.
Nein! Oh nee, komm. Oh. Nein, nicht schon wieder, ey. Marienkäfer. Hier ist Mudo. Hier oben. 30 ladybugs, at least. The thing is, we found a bunch of huge ants' nests downstairs, and that was part of why we decided to redo the whole timber frame, or why we found that the whole timber frame is so damaged that we have to replace it. And now I saw more ants, and I'm freaking out because I don't know where the nest is. I don't mind 30 ladybugs, I don't care. I just don't want to miss an ant's nest, and I don't want to be finished to then discover we missed it and we have to start all over again. I can't see any ants. Let's open the ceiling. This is where the ants are. They're running up and down this beam. The only place they can be is in the ceiling. I was hoping we don't have to do it because that means a lot of work. Not only ripping it out and then recycling the stuff, but we also have to rebuild it. But I think the risk of just ignoring this and then living with potentially ants' nests in the ceiling is just too high. The good part, if there is any, is that we have all these holes in the ceiling anyways from where the scaffolding was, where we had the support. So we have to fix the ceiling anyways. We might as well do the whole ceiling.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Is that a good reason to do it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's just do it. Maybe we find treasures.
The old treasure hope. Wow! Alter, ich hab mich so erschrocken.
Ich mich auch. Thank God we don't have walls.
Yeah.
All the dust, it's so much nicer without walls. This would be a
Absolutely.
nightmare if the house was attacked. Wir brauchen besseres Werkzeug. Let's build a machine for this. No, I'm kidding. Don't see any ants. I don't know what to do. How would you Google this? I saw an ant. Should I tear out my ceiling? You first need to inspect the area, locate their colony. I think that's a yes. I should tear out my ceiling.
How often you Google your private problems?
All the time. Do you not Google your problems? I know I might be overreacting, but I'm just very, very sensitive to the whole ant problem. And also, I think this looks kind of nice. I mean, not as is now, but the idea of not having a flat ceiling, but a ceiling that has those beams, and then maybe like white parts only in between the beams.
Okay.
I will regret saying this because you will cut back to this once we get to the episode where I have to work on the ceiling, and it will be so much more work than I'm expecting now. But most of all, I want to make sure that we don't miss an ant's nest because there is this ant dust. That's exactly what we found underneath the windows and where all the nests were. So I want to be sure that we did not miss a colony or a nest. Let's put on some music and just rip out the ceiling. Yeah, that looks like there was a nest in here. Das ist genau das.
Nein, ne? Ernsthaft?
Mann! Warum sind das keine Vollgummireifen?
Wie konnte das nur passieren?
Wie konnte das passieren? Hä? Kein einziger Nagel. Hä?
Sorry, ich dachte, es spritzt nicht so weit.
Did I find any ants? No. But I think the ceiling looks pretty good like this. I still think it was the right call to do it because all in all, including the cleanup and filming and all these things, it took us 2 hours to clean the ceiling. It's not too much, and this gives us a clean slate to rebuild it. And I know for a fact if there are ants' nests under the ceiling or not. So I want to do it in every room, possibly even upstairs, just so we know for sure. And also because I like the look. It gives us a little bit more height in the ceiling. It gives us a clean slate to start again. I like the beams. I want to keep them visible. No, it's not what I expected to do today, but this is another job I think we should do as long as there are no walls and as long as it's okay to work with dust. So, a good day in my book, huh, Felix? Ne?
Thank you, ants.
Thank you, ants. And also, they're still there. They're mocking us. They're walking up and down this beam. I don't know where they're going. And maybe those are just ants looking for the old nests?
Yeah, maybe.
Let us know in the comments. Yeah, no, it was a good day. I'm happy. It was also good work. After not doing too much because of the knee, it's really good to get into the groove again. So, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as the ants are enjoying mocking me and driving me nuts. And I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.